Hey guys, it's Pi here. Welcome to another video. So, I'll be showing you guys one very slight issue. This has been popping up for 17 days. Come on, AJ. This is gonna drive me crazy because, well, I just got hacked. I lost. Well, no, I didn't just get hacked, but I got hacked a long time ago. And I lost my green short collar. And nobody watches my videos, so. You know what? Okay. Nobody watches my videos anymore. That's just sad. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get, some plushies and this claw because I feel like it. Oh my, wait. No, come on, AJ, please. I'm spending all my gems on this. I honestly don't have that many gems. Okay. Oh, yay. Thank you, AJ. Okay, what color? Oh, I don't need a yellow one. I just need a blue one. So anyway, friend's account got banned, so she made a new account. Pretty much done. The same person. No, it's not. Okay, yes, that person is being creepy. Like, I don't know what's wrong with them. Okay, these are my autographs, but I don't know what's wrong with them. Like, Mero was on my account earlier, but I don't know, like, he would never do something like that, would he? And then, yes, of course, Wolftown 11. And Legit Nick! Oh my, wow. Legit Nick actually finally likes my photo on Instagram. If you guys want to go check out my Instagram is iwithpi105.aj. I'm just gonna put pi105. Alright, I'm back. So yeah, I'm pretty much bored out of my mind. And yeah, so what I usually will do now is just go to Vermont and start messing with people. Okay, a friend request already. Sorry though. Alright. Okay, so they probably notice I have not been recording because I have no followers anymore. Alright, so yes, this is my YouTube channel. I have 5 subscribers. Only watch 2 of my videos. So I'm lazy. And these are all my subscriptions. Of course, these 2 because they're my fave. Okay. And I'm subscribed to Glide, I think. But yeah. Alright, anyone who says hi gets a automatic shout out. Hi, Bug Bunny 321 gets a shout out. Okay. Search and sub. Okay, Trent is, I'm a big fan. Okay, wow. Okay, sorry, Megan. Actually, guys, I only have 5 subscribers. That's sad. 2 subscribers. That just stinks. Okay, sugar letters are cool. Yes, they. I can't type right now. Oh my gosh. Shout out to Megan and shout out to everyone because I just feel like say hi. So I don't get a million coins. I actually disabled my trading. So you guys will see what I do to update my channel. Okay, so I just wrote this because I felt like it being a weirdo. Alright, so yes, this is pretty much what I do. And then I'll write recording. Okay, there we go. Then click done, and then, yes, alright. Buddy gift. Aw, thank you. Thank you. Can't accept. I will keep in mailbox for now. Thank you so much. Better storm right in. Okay. Say hi, I'm recording. Okay, guys. So follow me on Instagram because I don't know, because I only have 136 subscribers. Oh yes. Okay, legit. Wow. Okay. Legit keeps liking my photos. Okay, legit. Hi. Oh, okay. Cool for the message. Okay, I keep all my letters in my mailbox sometimes, so I'll go delete them later, but yes. I'm taking a bunch of screenshots for no reason on my tablet. Alright, so I bet you guys are bored, but too bad. It's gonna be a fun time. No, it's not. Okay, if you guys get bored, feel free to leave. I don't care. Oh, okay. I screenshotted everything. Okay. Okay, wow. Legit Nick just liked my photo again. Okay, yeah. Oh my. Okay. Alright, I'm like flipping. Legit Nick and Glad liked my photos. And I'm like freaking recording now. Alright, so hi. Hello. Hi. Yes, we all do. Yeah, I love pie too. Actually, no, I don't really like pie too much. Like, it's just my username. Because I used to have, like, this weird obsession with pie. And I never even liked it, so yes. Quitting now. Okay, so I'm not live. Guess you guys have figured that out now. But if you guys want to come, I'll still probably be in Gym View. Oh, hello. Hello, Abby. Hello. Hello. Okay, so there you go. Alright, I got a message. Let's go to your den. No thanks. No, thank you. Ah! No, thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, thanks. Okay, yeah. I'm done with the hearts because I feel like it. Okay. Okay, so I think I'll have to end this video here, but that's it for today. See you guys. Legit neglect my photos. 1 second. I'm getting a phone call. Well, that's it for today. Bye.